Hey guys, Steven with Narcoleptic Customs. This is a Santa Sleigh, as you can tell. It's huge. We did a motor swap for a guy named Joe Reed and Reddy Rooter and I think White River or something. Anyways, little Duro Max, 18 horse. Trying to get to the other side. You can't see. I don't know how you go. 18 horse, yeah. Went from 5 horse to the 18. They built the whole chassis. So I gotta do some reinforcement under these, just so people can step on them. But I'll start it up and let you hear it. Hopefully I got the gas still on. We'll find out. So key start, really cool. Starts up real nice. Runs great.